Today, we're going to talk to you about the Load-to-Dock feature on your Garmin dēzl truck navigator. You have a job to do, and when you arrive at your destination, you often need to use a different entrance than the general public. That's why Garmin is pleased to offer the industry's best Load-to-Dock guidance. dēzl truck navigators can identify loading zones, unloading zones, or staging areas at your destination, so you'll know exactly where you need to go. It's easy. Start by adding your destination to your route by selecting Where To. You can select any search option, including address, saved, or previous destinations using recent. Select a location from the list. Then select Truck Destinations. You'll see options on the map screen. Choose your preferred destination. Then press Go. dēzl will navigate you to that specific location. You can also add your preferred truck destination as you approach. Your dēzl navigator will automatically show a split-screen map highlighting your options. If you already know your truck destination, touch that location on the map and select Go. Select Find a Truck Destination to bring up a list of options. Choose your preferred destination and press Go. The dēzl navigator will navigate to that destination. That's industry-best Load-to-Dock guidance using Garmin dēzl truck navigators, so you stay aware and on schedule. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.